nasties. Well, not really that nasty. Ants are generally okay, I guess. I quite like them. I guess most people don't. I consider them amazing little social creatures, but sadly, yeah, these things are a bit of a pain in the butt when you're trying to catch bees and they take refuge in your trap box. Luckily, they took refuge in the top of the box, so not so bad. The inside is still nice and clean. It's all still waxed up, and oh, there's a couple of, oh no, there are a couple of ants in there. Okay, didn't expect that. So we give it the old-fashioned method of drop. And then once more, drop. Oh, almost all gone. Fixed. Problem solved. Now I just went and checked the other hives. We actually have scout bees checking out the flowers, so I'll leave this one here, and maybe the next couple of days we might have some nice swarming action. Just a ton of deer run through here. Okay. Where's my hive? Here, over here. This one keeps getting, yep, same as before. For some reason this keeps getting knocked over, so I think it might be a wild boar. And there we go, Mr. Big Spider. Nasty number 3, 2, 1, who cares? These actually aren't so bad. I just want to get away from you, so let's try and zoom up on him. He's actually quite beautiful, I think. Bleh. Not bad for a cell phone. Come on, get up. Come on, get up. And the time and test drop method. Whee. Goodbye. And because the wild boar took the roof off, it's not going to stay on now, is it? I might set the trail cam tonight and see if we get anything. Pain in the ass. And once again, more ants. If we turn this over, I guarantee you. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. So yeah, keeping the ants out of the trap hives is a bit of a pain. You know, you can do it with like if you sprinkle cinnamon down, sort of deters them a little bit. But ultimately, that makes another smell that the bees might not like too. So generally, it's got to come and clean it every week. These ones are tiny. Yeah. Don't bite you though, so oh well. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! Even more. That's a huge colony. And to be gone. Okay, only one more hive to check along these along this path. There she is. I like the location of this. To me it feels good. But also 100% guarantee you there are ants in the top. That almost hit my foot. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Oh, come on, focus, focus, focus. Oh well. Whew. So, no bees, 3 ant colonies, 1 big spider. Pretty good day if you ask me. Oh well. Better luck tomorrow. So we do have a scout checking out this box. First she goes to the orchid, then up, then in. Then she'll come out, fly around the box a bit. Hopefully she likes it. That's a good sign if she goes out and goes in again.